Today we will learn about product categories. Categories are a group of products that you wish to show on the same page in your store. For example, women's footwear, men's clothing, kids fashion, etc. They help customers to faster navigate through the store and find the products they need. So now start creating categories and subcategories. In More Customers app, you can create two level categories, primary and their subcategory. So let us learn more about it. First, let us create main category or a primary category. Go to Catalog, Categories, click on plus category button. It will take to basic detail page. As you see, we need to add name for that category. So let us create a category called accessories. Now you see we have other few text boxes, for example meta title, keywords and description. These are used for SEO. We will cover this in more details when we will discuss more about SEO. So for now keep it blank, click on save and you see your category is added. Now to add subcategory, we go to catalog and subcategories. Click on plus subcategory button and basic detail page is open. Now subcategory always asks for a primary category. So select a primary category, say jewelry, and we add a subcategory as bracelet. Again leave SEO part and click on save and our subcategory is added. Now let us look on your store for the same. Look at our newly created category. It is seen here. Now suppose we want that to be shown first or say third. We can easily reorder our list in More Customer app. Go back to categories. Now place the cursor on arrow keys and hold it. Now move it up and down as you want to list category. Now let's see on the front end side whether our newly added category is seen after reordering. Yeah, it is achievable. Now same thing we can do with the subcategory. We go to subcategories and repeat the same steps. Now assume a scenario where you don't want to list that category or a subcategory. So go to a subcategory list and click on inactive icon. That subcategory is now inactive and is moved to inactive list. You can see the inactive list from here. Same thing for the primary categories. Similar, the main category we can make it active and inactive. If primary category is inactive, all the subcategories under them are also inactive and products under them too are not visible on store. So today we learned about creating product categories. So go ahead and create one on your store.